Join me as I challenge myself to navigate through total darkness using just this insane 8x zoom night vision monocular. This thing is a game changer for anyone who loves exploring outdoors at night, whether you're a hiker, a camper, or just someone who enjoys the thrill of being in the dark. The 8x zoom capability is incredibly powerful, allowing you to see objects clearly even from a distance. One of the biggest challenges we face when trying to see at night is limited visibility. It's easy to trip over roots or stumble into obstacles when you can't see what's in front of you. And sometimes, it feels like no matter how many flashlights you have, they just can't provide enough light to see what's really out there. That's why reliable equipment is so crucial for night explorers. Without it, you're putting yourself at risk. Another challenge is the quality of the equipment itself. Some night vision devices can be bulky and uncomfortable to wear, while others just don't provide a clear enough image to be useful. And let's be honest, there's nothing more frustrating than trying to use a device that's supposed to help you see in the dark, but it just doesn't deliver. I've been in situations where I thought I had a good night vision device, but it ended up being a dud. Either the image was too grainy or it didn't have enough zoom capability to see what I needed to see. That's why I'm excited to test out this monocular and see how it performs. The features of this monocular are pretty impressive. Not only does it have an 8x zoom, but it also provides a clear and crisp image, even in total darkness. The design is user-friendly, making it easy to use and maneuver. Let's take a closer look at it in action. As I use the monocular, I can see how easily it picks up objects in the distance. The image is clear and sharp, and I can even make out details that I wouldn't be able to see with the naked eye. The zoom capability is also super smooth, allowing me to adjust the focus quickly and easily. One of the most impressive moments for me was when I was able to see a deer in the distance, even though it was pitch black outside. I was able to zoom in on it and see it clearly, which was amazing. And compared to regular vision, it's like night and day. I could see everything clearly, even though it was completely dark. The level of detail I can see with this monocular is incredible. I can see the texture of the trees, the movement of animals, and even the smallest details on the ground. It's like having a superpower. In that moment, I realized just how effective this monocular really is. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. And I think it's something that every outdoor enthusiast should consider adding to their gear. So, if you're someone who loves exploring at night, this monocular is a must-have. Its powerful 8x zoom, clear image, and user-friendly design make it an essential tool for anyone who wants to see in the dark. If you've had any experiences with night vision gear, I'd love to hear about them. Leave a comment below and let me know what you've used and what you thought of it. And if you're interested in more outdoor tips and gear reviews, be sure to check out my other videos.